Hello, everyone. And first, let me thank the head of facilities as well as the safety committee for meeting with me today to go over my hazard analysis that I have prepared on the machine shop. My name is Jeffrey Edgecombe, and let's begin. Just a quick overview of what occupational health is and injury. A lot of people confuse occupational health with just safety and how to prevent injuries, which is definitely a part of it, but the way they prevent injuries is not just one-sided. Occupational health is a line of public health work that focuses on reducing and preventing occupational injuries and illnesses, as I just mentioned, but through a wide range of techniques and intervention methods. Some interventions may be to tailor something ergonomically to better fit the employee and reduce strain. Another will provide lifting techniques, which we will go over later in this presentation, just to alleviate the strain and prevent injury for these employees. An occupational injury describes any type of injury or illness that occurs to a patient as related to his or her specific demands or requirements. The patient in this case will be machine shop employees. So the work site for this analysis is the machine shop, which is located in Biddeford, Maine on the University of New England campus, as we know. It employs 15 full-time employees, and of these employees, 90% of them are male, and only around 10% are female. Now, 10% may seem low, however, this female percentage, according to the Federal Bureau of Labor Statistics, is actually over triple the national percentage. Less than 3% of auto service technicians and mechanics are women. They are provided 2 15-minute breaks and a 1-hour lunch break, and this is over the course of an 8-hour workday. Below is a list of worksite hazards that I have compiled during my analysis. The ones that have the square bullets, as noted on the left of the screen, are the ones that I prioritized as the biggest hazards. Some of these are lifting heavy objects such as tires, loud music, loud air tools exceeding over 80 decibels, and working with your back in an uncomfortable position of 30 or 45 degrees leaning forward. Next slides will go over recommendations, how to combat these possible work-related hazards and prevent injury. So, recommendations. I would like to provide educational lifting classes for all 15 employees. We will train employees how to react if a coworker is injured, or even if themselves are injured from a lifting action. We want to hold workers accountable for proper lifting techniques. We can do this by using camera footage reviewed by facilities managers, and this will not only protect the facility as itself of the University of New England, but it will also help the injured person. If they were lifting correctly, then there is no fault of their own. And lastly, I'd like to educate workers when it is safe to return to work from a lifting-related injury. Often people that are hurt come back too quickly and are prone to further injury. Secondly, my recommendation is for the audible level within the shop. I would like to require the music be turned down and a playlist to be made. A playlist should be made because it is not distracting and people know the music, so it kind of displays in the back of the head. This can be seen and proven if you visit my reference number 3. I would also like to require workers to use over-ear PPE to prevent hearing loss at all times while in the shop. Now, this may seem excessive, however, no one is aware of when the head mechanic is going to use an air hammer, so we want to be protected. I would also like to educate all employees on hearing safety as well as complications that may arise from unprotected ears. Lastly, this is a new step that I would like to take on. I would like to provide employees with electronic over-ear PPE that cancels out certain loud frequencies such as air hammers. And now concluding this, with the recommendations provided, the machine shop located on the University of New England's campus will be able to maintain a high degree of occupational health and safety standards and reduce the number of injuries occurring inside the shop. Thank you for meeting with me today, and here are my references. Thank you, and have a great day.